Hey guys, it is once again the Broke Beauty Guru, the Ring Queen Lexa Rose, with another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. And since we started off with the whole Steven Universe theme, I had started off a while back with Pink Diamond, who's, I don't want to spoil it, Pink Diamond of the Diamond Authority, Anyways, yesterday we did Garnet, last video we did Garnet. I'm kind of recording these, We did Garnet. Now we're doing Pearl. So with that being said, let's talk a little bit about Pearl. Pearl is what you call the more elegant of the crystal gems. She is the right-hand man of rose quartz. And basically Pearl has been there since the beginning of the rebellion, and basically she kind of has her own little secrets, I guess you could say. And she's been Steven's, like, mother hen. Garnet definitely shows more of the mother instincts and loving aspect, but Pearl is more of the protector and the anxious mom, and she definitely seems like the type that would say, can I speak to your manager? But I digress. She is definitely one of the more elegant fighters, whereas Garnet and Amethyst are more rough and tough and tumble. Pearl is more elegant, graceful. She's still tough in her own way, but she does it in more of a classy way. Like, she's kind of like the Obi-Wan Kenobi of the crew. So with that being said, we're going to do more of a soft look based on her color scheme. And we hope that, I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's get this tutorial started. Okay, so of course we're gonna go to our Professional Primer, and we're just gonna put this on and cover up all the pores. Next, we're gonna go into our Huda Beauty, and we are running seriously low on it, so we're just gonna take it like this and pop it on. Next, we're gonna grab our sponge, and we're just gonna put this all over the face. Okay, time for some concealer and some contour. Now we're going to grab our sponge and blend everything together. Okay, so now we're going to grab our Airspun, and we're just going to use a sponge just to kind of clean up these edges. And then we'll just dust the rest on to set the powder, set the creams. Okay, so like I said, this is going to be a very, very subdued kind of elegant look. So we're going to just take our fluffy brush, and we're going to go into a mix of orange and pink, because Pearl's hair is a bit coral, but we still want to keep the pink, so we're going to make it more pinkish than orange. So we're going to start with this pink right here, and we're not going to build it up too much. We're just going to kind of lightly brush it on, and then put a little bit of the orange to kind of give it that coral. And then we're going to cut crease, and then add the blue, and then a little bit of yellow on the inner corners. Okay, so once again, we're going to cut the crease, and we're going to use our Tarte Shape Tape and this nifty looking concealer brush that I've created. I mean, it was a regular eyeshadow brush, but we're just gonna cut the crease. Okay, so we grabbed our flat brush, and we're adding the blue, not too much, just enough to kind of give it an airy look, like a very soft look. And we're gonna leave a little bit of space because we're gonna put like a glitter liner on top of it. And then we're gonna leave the inner corner for the yellow. Okay, we're gonna grab this brush, and we're just gonna go into the lightest yellow, which is this one, and we're gonna put that in the inner corners. We're gonna go right into Distortion, and we're gonna put in the glitter liner. So we're almost done. Time for mascara and liner. Next, we're gonna grab our Tarte blush, and we're just going to swirl it and pop it. And now for the highlight, we're going to go in with Pink Heart, only appropriate. We're going to put it in our inner corner, brow bone, and then highlight the rest of the face with it. Okay, so now that we've got everything on, what we're going to do is we're going to go into Cheer Bear from our matte liquid lipstick collection from Care Bears. It's cute and the payoff is really good, but it gets really sticky after a while, so you have to put gloss on it a couple of times, and then your lips will start to dry out, so you have to put in chapstick as well. So, I mean, it is what it is, but like I said, payoff. And this is the final look inspired by Pearl that I call, obviously, a single pale rose, which is dedicated to the spoiler of all spoilers episode of Steven Universe. And if you haven't seen it yet, please catch up and watch it. Trust me, you will not regret it. Again, Steven Universe has been a show that I grew up with Adventure Time, so I already knew who Rebecca Sugar was. And when she did her own show called Steven Universe, I fell in love with it. And it's one of the very few shows that me and my son watch together. So, with that being said, I just want to thank all you guys for watching my videos and stuff like that. And for humoring me and letting me be able to do what I love doing. I mean, there's not that many beauty gurus out there that could take a body slam, that could take a suplex, that can travel the world and actually do something other than stand there and look pretty. Just saying. But anyways, Steven Universe was one of the very few shows that basically made me feel comfortable with who I am. You had Garnet, who was a fusion of two gems. And, of course, I don't want to spoil it, but, of course, she was made with love, literally. And then you had Pearl, who had a heart for her leader, Rose Quartz, and always protected her up, down, left, and right. Pearl is definitely the ride or die. A little salty, but she was definitely a ride or die, and so much so that she ended up taking care of Rose's son, Steven. So that's why you saw me wearing the Steven Universe shirt. Also because the setting powder protects this shirt from getting stained. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I am a huge Steven Universe fan, so there's going to be a couple more coming up. I have an amethyst one coming up called Purple Puma because she obviously is a wrestler and I am a wrestler. So this is the Ring Queen Lexa Rose with another episode of Wrestling McBeauty. I am your bro beauty guru. I will see you on my next episode.